Okay, fracture.
Alright.
Let's look at these agent selects. Fortnite Bay's going back on that Ragnar. We got a Breach. Breach is not too bad. He's real good for the A side.
Yeah, Fortnite Babe and
Car again with the chamber.
yeah, the two.
Manaki's got his Phoenix again. Elite Renzo, the Odin Master. Coming in.
It's like this is a bit unfavorable for Rangiātea because until they get the op going, it's pretty much.
So the plan for Rangiātea will to get Matua Native or Tama on their op, and they need to shut down Fortnite early. Because Fortnite, I think he's just looking
It's the
for
1-1-1-1-37 for me, yeah. Oh, I hate these skins.
Oh yeah. On the left you can see the ranks, Rangiātea. On the right side you got the levels a bit higher. Way more experience, so this could be interesting. So I guess Rangiātea again, underdogs coming into this one.
You're gonna do our
Yeah.
actually.
I want to go Elite Renzo. Let's start spectating him first.
Oh, already with the clothesline.
Yeah. So we've got some ghosts. Got a sheriff in there from Ellen. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to see Car. Maybe he's buying points for his ability. Chamber did get the most recent nerf as well, so there's I think it's 30 seconds or more on his teleports to bring them back up. And it costs a bit more too, so bit of a nerf there, but he's still prevalent. First round though, first one. Ooh, he couldn't quite get it. Elite he's bait his team. I would like to see a wall right here. But just go for the bang. And yeah, just a quick first round there. Diligent SOSAs. Yeah, taking out that one first. It's only the first round. I mean, these body maps are probably like they don't know when to go or how to navigate this map at the moment. So
you can tell those that have practiced on this map.
Yeah.
And it's kind of rough, like coming into it new, but hopefully Rangiātea can bring out some of their ready.
I've felt that like when you're on a new map and you have no idea where to go,
That's a good spot.
what corners to check and whatnot.
That works.
But we got Rangiātea spreading out a bit. 3 on B, 2 on A, and the same. We're going to get a pinch on A from the attacking team. That's SOSA's. I'm not going to get any action on B. So it looks like
We got a drop already.
Elite Renzo couldn't quite get his shots off. Diligent SOSA's already on the site planting. Got some good communication coming from him too. It's kaupapa. Car, nice shots. He's going to pick up a good gun from there too. So Turkey.
And this is that difference in experience.
Yeah. It's from Manaki. Not the Rangiātea. Gonna look for a picky. If I was him, I'll probably look to kind of save here, hold onto my gun. But Fortnite's just gonna push him on that one. Yeah, it's just big brain players. Oh, just more sense from SOSA's there. Good round there. Look, he's got the prime skin, you know. Let's see our entry fragments here. Maybe some LMT to see how they kind of open up the map for his team. They're thinking a B push here, I think. Maybe Rangiātea just 5 pressed them on B2. I love this, bro. This is what I wanted to just stand there, hold an angle, just like don't even push up. But they're looking the wrong way. They don't know which way they're coming from. They're coming from the stairs. Unlucky, the Ramsey will go down. He had the Wakararu in his hand as well. Okay, Fallout should come in, but Diligent SOSA's taking their time. We've got one underneath too. Yeah, sneaky.
One enemy remaining.
Nice shots from over the shoulder. This is going to be unlucky. Yeah, SOSA's working quite well, dude. But to be honest, Rangiātea, they chose the right side. They're just unfortunately looking at the wrong side of the site where they were pushing. So
yeah, and you gotta give it up to them. Elite Renzo has his favorite gun, so see. We'll see if he can.
This is what we want to see. Where's Elite? What number?
Number 4.
Number 4. Elite Ranzo.
Or number 4, number 1 has the
Difference with this though.
Kaimahi.
Yeah. I love to see Ranzo on this one, but the difference is this team isn't huddling into one group, so hopefully he gets a
They've
pick.
gone. Oh, and it's an
It's
upset.
completely gonna be, yeah. He's totally open right now. Round has started.
Alright, we got. Who's that up top?
Okay, Manaki taking the flying fox over.
Like, trip, there's someone in that spawn.
Calls out that spawn. That trip's gonna be called out from attacking team Sosa's. Manaki, yeah, they don't quite know where they go at the moment. It's just, yeah. Look at this great setup by attacking team here.
Yeah.
It's gonna follow. Maybe they're not quite aware of the map too. Maybe they can use their map a bit more, but there's an operator in the hands of Matua there.
Very heavy footsteps, eh?
Yeah.
Not really shift walking.
Nah.
or-
The jump
One
shots.
enemy remaining.
It's a bit of war zone coming in there, but I can totally understand. Oh, Ranzo. Oh, Ranzo doesn't even know what's happening. Oh, shit. That could have been sick. Oh my god, Ranzo just he nearly put Rangiātea back in the game. Oh my. It's unlucky. Team quite strong here on Sosa's. 4 at the moment, Rangiātea. Ranzo's getting a bit of inspiration into his team.
Better, can you pass me a water? Please.
Hero for Seekers, Street, got you tip up. Yoda accuracy, no my keep the tournament, my bro. Appreciate you for popping in,
Yeah,
accuracy.
I was like, I'm pretty sure I finished mine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
misery.
so Taco Scout with the breach. Oh, Ranzo!
in there.
He is low health. I'm not sure if he knows he can heal himself though. If he hits his E key, he can give himself a bit of
One
a-
enemy remaining.
Oh my! He's got some sick movement. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Ranzo is like 20. Yeah, right click. He doesn't. He didn't quite get it off. He's still finding the stuff around the keys.
Hey, he's so good, ain't he?
I don't know. He's got like. I don't know. It's that fast paced FPS shooter type of guy.
I didn't want to.
Manaki was gonna give his himself a chance with the open. He does have ult. I'd like to see this ult out with them, see what happens.
Sure, accuracy,
You
no
want to
might.
play? Let's play.
Oh, this is like.
Two Odins in the water.
Yeah.
Manaki, if he just presses his X key, it's full sim. Be perfect. I think that better. Okay, they're already on site. These bombs going down. Aore paku mōhio Rangiātea okay here associated anyway. I think he's got a couple of things with him. Misses the headshot with his.
Healer
He
down.
will
Here.
get the recoil control there though. Oh, he sprays a little bit too much, Manaki. Come with the Odin. He is inspiration here. Oh,
Yeah.
got a big Hiahatera from Rangiātea. Yeah, unsure what's happening with his ability, so this is tough. It's tough.
Here.
So I guess yeah, the biggest. It's not just gun skill. Maybe they can bang with him. Rangiātea could bang with Sosa on a gun level, but if they use U-tool, it's kind of it's tough going for Rangiātea.
I think it's more map knowledge too. Like they seem to be getting caught unawares.
Yeah,
They're like getting lost around corners too. Fortnite baby going across.
too many paths and don't know where to go to.
Yeah. It's all the corners, eh?
Got all these paths. Okay, it's gonna be a B push here. Everyone's hanging around middle for Rangiātea. They should be able to hear them here. The Jet's gonna push in though. On B stairs right now, attacking team, working as a team, but they do got a pinch from canteen side as well. The attacking team's already in tower too, and they're starting to push out canteen, so
Spike planted.
Last player standing.
lucky Ranzo. It's got caught off guard there.
Flawless.
And now look who's got to operate in their hand. Fortnite, babe. He kaimahi ke o narihi.
Yeah. Definitely a hard one to watch because you kind of feel for Rangiātea at the moment because they came in strong at their last one, but coming into a better skilled team, it just
Bro, like, yeah, that's just the fact that they're here is like
Massive.
They already won. Like, we're winning. It's massive for them, and it's just something to look forward to. Your Mata.
yeah.
Last King's been a little bit quiet, but he is still with one kill there. Oh, like it's going to be an 8 hit again, and Rangiātea have read it quite well actually. I'm just getting used to these abilities. I'm like figuring out what they do. Some of them hurt, some of them blind.
Oh, here we go. Rainer with the flank, number 8. Number 8
Yeah,
with the flank.
they would play. Yes, just gonna try to find these angles here. I'm pretty sure they're quite unaware. This is the shot though. She's still not blind enough. Yeah. Just
One
not enough.
enemy
We're just
remaining.
not too sure how to pull that out. Fortnite, oh, it's gonna get there. Gonna get there.
Hey,
Fight.
heaven.
Not gonna lie though, Sosa's got some nice pushes there. Now we're seeing like abilities to push in it,
Oh, yeah.
which is cool. But yeah, Rangiātea is just they're kind of enjoying the sight. These things
Seen
blowing up.
it
Oh, there's a
already,
blue
seen.
smoke coming. Holy hell, what is this?
Hey,
Ah, my eyes.
Hey, what's that one?
So it's like a whole experience.
It's kind of like your high school team getting a visit from the All Blacks. So you just get taught new tricks.
Oh no, babe. Heaps of operators in here too. We've got 3 on Sosa's.
Here.
Yeah, was that Phoenix? I'll step away. Good patience from Alan Key here.
Number 8, bro.
Number 8. I know.
Yeah, she looks like on the hard left. Should be coming on.
Oh, she just. Oh yeah, he runs on 8, so it's a free plant again. Nice. They're still not totally sure if the site's clear, but very soon they'll be saying, yeah, they're not on the site. So I'll get that info. Fortnite Babe. That's what you can see. Like Fortnite Babe is getting killed, going back behind cover.
7, bro. 7's about to hit it.
Great direction there.
One enemy
Nice.
remaining.
7.
Got the spray even. Trying to pull up his E too. Or with a dash, but no one's gonna be there for him. Okay, he's gonna get the call out. He might knife him there. Nice, he's gonna get that kill. Yeah, just comms are on for Sosa's at the moment. It's gonna make a good game for the final, so if they get through. Rangiātea though, keep your spirits up. You're doing well.
Yeah, hard.
Just figure it out as you go. Yeah, let's check out Tom. Tom is the captain for Rangiātea today, so him and his 4 friends have come along. Tautoko the kaupapa, Valorant. I think this is like their 2nd time jamming Valorant, so big shout outs to you, Zah. And wow, see, like I can see them warming up now. Like they know where to look, they know which way goes where. Pass.
Yeah,
they're kind of slowly
they're definitely picking it
catching
up a lot
on.
quicker.
Yeah.
I want to see
That's like
an ugly Odin play.
that's positive to know too. Like moving forward.
Oh,
Big 2 kills from Car. He beats the spray transfer.
Last player
Fortnite
standing.
comes with the operator and yeah, the shuts them down. It's all good. Unlucky. There we go. Got a fucker we're here from Rangiātea, so they know to spread out a little bit more. So they're kind of adapting on the go. Let's go.
yeah. Developing their strategies as well.
Che wala seek and Nabe mo te maro. Thank you for the raid, cuz. Che a touch me che che. Liz.
Yeah. Thank you, Heaps, for your PG raid, Wana. Your PG raid.
Best commentator the side of Omata.
I don't even know where Ormata is.
Oh, to be honest. What is the geographical area?
Is that
of
how
Mata?
big the Omatos are?
Te Wiki? Yep.
Revealing area.
So it's spread out, but a default with bombers going towards A. Yeah, Ka and Fortnite's gonna get those kills. Hey, Te Wakarore ke o rau ringa. So Vandal's on
Player
deck,
standing.
Alan Key's on slam. 1v5. Naki with a classic. Ah, it's hard. That's tough to watch.
Last round in the
Just a
half.
little quick at the scoreboard. 22 for Fortnite. Fortnite's feeling himself.
A gift.
Yeah, leading the team quite well, to be honest. Alan Key too, just bringing up the rear behind, or coming up second on that frag list. And that elite.
Yeah, but it's the. I think the only score everyone can see is the young donuts that we have on screen.
Oh yeah, if you didn't see the donutty creamy,
Yeah.
the crispy cream. That's what it's about. Look, good luck, have fun in the chat.
Yeah. Bit of a jelly donut.
2-piece there. Car helping out. A lot of sprack from the Vandal actually, which you wouldn't really get away with usually, but it's working for them. Unlucky 12-0. One more round, bro, we could be up, but keep your head up high, Rangiātea.
Switching
You're
sides.
still in it.
Match point.
Kite mate. Kei me te ururoa.
Yeah.
Kaue mate wheke.
Nah, and this, we had technical difficulties, so we had to log into our own ones.
Yeah. Matua Native had to log in. We got a bloodline relic.
Nah, he got smoked on the first round.
But funnily enough, he's getting PBs on
Yeah.
his account as we speak.
Yeah, apparently this was Matua's PB gameplay and it's not even him playing. There's a bit of a
good, so
unlucky.
Got to switch, the round switch, so another pistol round. We got SOSA on defending, and let's see what Rangiātea can do on attacking.
What's the
No charge
Te Hota Ichi?
Te Ota Hitzi,
On the front.
Akie.
Yeah.
The last sentence it's got a hole, which is good.
Oh. I don't think it panned out for him.
One enemy remaining.
Fortnite's just gonna get that kill again. That's a GG.
Defenders win.
Sosa
Someone else will clean
takes
Taking.
him.
I
Taking
will
him.
take the trash.
What a big 13-0. There's big one-sided matches now, but hey, kei te pai. Rangiātea came out to play. Puna te mea nui mō tātou.